So we just got off the shuttle. It's right there. And then we go up these stairs. And B, do you want to use the card? It's very exciting. That is your entry. So don't leave without your... And this is a beautiful... Hi, morning. A beautiful beach house. During the high season, they have a little quick serve window here with a bar. It's a really nice little area to be able to hang out between trips to the beach. And then you get your personal boardwalk to the beach, which is pretty amazing. Obviously it's a little too cold to swim. It's about 50 degrees this morning. So more of a kind of walk on the beach than a swim in the ocean. But it's beautiful today. The weather has been perfect on this trip. I really couldn't ask for any better. I mean, it could be in the 70s, but I'm not gonna complain. But yeah, it's much less crowded than the other day. So if you're wanting to drive to the beach house, you can pull in right over here. Just driveway, and then there's underground parking. That's the exit. And then you, I think there's direct access to the beach from under there. And also there's access over here. So you could bike over, park your bikes over here. And then there's access right there. So, you know, and there's parking, little parking lot too, but this is all reserved for your DVC members. And I just love this beach house. I think I love the styling of it. I think it's really, really a very beautiful building, very comfortable. And here comes our, and here comes our shuttle. The shuttles run like constantly. So we're gonna head back. We're gonna get some lunch. And I don't know, we really don't have plans for the rest of the day. We had lunch down by the pool. And it was chilly, so I didn't really film very much of it. I was a little too cold. I just kind of wanted to eat and get back to the room. And then I went across the bridge to the Shelter Cove Harbor. There's a bakery I've been wanting to try called Hilton Head Social Bakery, and they're closed Monday and Tuesday. So today is the first day of the week that they're open, and I got us some goodies. Check it out. Let's see. So I got a lemon tart for me. I like lemon, and a chocolate, I think it was called a chocolate molten tart for Beatrix. And I'm super excited. Look at that beautiful lemon tart. There is this beautiful lemon tart, and it had a description, and I wish I had paid more attention so I could tell you what all the little elements are, because it's just so artfully put together. We really don't have any plans for the rest of the day. It's 2:34. What do you think we should do, Bea? I might just take you around the resort and kind of show you around and go in the lobby and see the Christmas decorations. Okay, since this is our last evening here, we're gonna take a walk out to the pier, check out the sunset. Just really beautiful here in the evening. There's not a whole heck of a lot to do. So we're just gonna check out the view and then hunker down. I'm gonna pack and then we will be leaving tomorrow. So let's show you around on our way to the pier. There's the parking lot right here. Boardwalk to the rest. There's my kid. Anybody out there? Somebody put some Christmas lights up on their balcony. So cute. A little picnic area with a grill and a hammock. And these are the carts that you can use for your luggage. They don't have elevators, I guess, except the one that we're in. And just like that, we're here at the main area. Just tide me over. Workout room. See if they have any good pens. Every time we come, they've got different pens. It's crazy. Oh, it's cool. That one is cool. Shadow is the mascot. He's got his own little door. Whew, it smells really bad. So Beatrix, did you have a good time?
Yes.
What was your favorite part?
Beach.
Yeah, the beach was really lovely. You know, windy, but super beautiful. The food has been good. Just relaxing, getting to just play games and kind of chill out. So I am gonna show you some scenes from the lobby on how they're decorated for the holidays. But I think beyond that, guys, we are out of here. It's been a great 3-4 days here in Hilton Head Island, and I would highly recommend it. It's not, you know, deluxe accommodations. It's a little more rustic, but the room was super comfortable. You know, very fine. So stay adventurous, guys. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join us on all our adventures, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if you guys have ever been here or if you're planning to ever come and stay at this resort. All right, until next time, guys. Bye.